Hi guys, I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch, and the specialty about this batch is this is a weekend batch. There are many students, candidates, professionals, they reach out to me for these weekend batches. So this is the first time where I'm going to start my new weekend batch. If you ask me like is there any difference between the syllabus or some other difference? No, there will not be any differences. The syllabus will be the same, the fee structure will be the same, everything will be the same. Only the difference is it's a weekend batch. The timing for this batch will be 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So obviously it is for the 2 hours Saturday and Sunday. So how to register for these classes? If you want to register for this class, you can register on my website, or you can directly reach out to me via email or WhatsApp message. All my contact details are there in the description section. I'm going to start this batch from this weekend only. So we have a limited time, limited seats. So if you are confident and you want to kickstart your career as a Oracle DBA and you want to join the Oracle DBA batch, then definitely you can contact me. What about the reviews? You may have already seen a lot of reviews on my website, on my YouTube channel. So there will not be any doubt. But still, if you have any doubt, again, you can go to my YouTube channel. Check, there are many free contents videos are there. Along with that, you can also see the student reviews and their selection to the different companies on my website. All details are there in the description section. If you have still doubt, reach out to me. Feel free to call me or WhatsApp me. All details is there here side. Thank you so much guys, and I'm really excited to start this new weekend batch, and I know this is the one for which you are waiting for from the long time. Bye bye.